What's happening YouTube? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Air Max 98 on Air by Gabriel Serrano in the Mezcla colorway. So today's video was sponsored by the good people from Rejuvenated. And today I want to highlight specifically the 3-brush shoe cleaning kit. So not only does this kit come with their 4-ounce cleaning solution, but they also give you not 1, not 2, but 3 different types of brushes for your cleaning needs. So we got a soft brush for more of the delicate uppers, we have a medium brush for more just general cleaning use, and then there's also the stiff brush that's meant to be used to clean your soles. So be sure to check out their website at rejuvenator.com and definitely use my discount code SEANGO upon checkout to get 10% off. So jumping back into the shoe, so for those of you guys who aren't aware, last year in 2018, Nike held the On Air contest. Basically what they did was hold workshops in certain key cities like New York City, London, and Paris, where people were invited to design their very own Air Max inspired by the city that they're from. Eventually, all those entries were narrowed down to a select few, and then the public was able to vote for their favorite. And then fast forward to this year, each of the winning designs from each key city were finally released in April. So this Air Max 98 in my hand was the winning design for New York City. It was designed by Gabriel Serrano, and it's nicknamed Mezcla, and I'm sorry if I completely butchered that, but in English that translates to mix. So the inspiration behind these Air Max 98s is the diversity and multiculturalism of New York City. Really, at the end of the day, what makes New York so special is all those combinations of cultures, ethnicities, all combining into this one great city. So this retailed for $200 US or 260 Canadian dollars. And the official colorway for this shoe is Vast Gray and Electro Green. So jumping straight into the upper of this shoe, as you can see we have this gradient pattern. It transitions from black to brown to orange to tan and then eventually to this off-white color at the front of the shoe. So this portion of the shoe is constructed out of neoprene, and then beneath this we have this gray colored flat suede. Stitched onto the lateral side we have this swoosh, and the colors of this swoosh is supposed to be inspired by the Statue of Liberty. Below this we have this cracked leather mudguard, and according to Gabrielle, this is supposed to represent the concrete that gives New York City the nickname of being a concrete jungle. You can also see more of that cracked leather and the swoosh found on top of the toe box that's found on this boomerang shaped element that's commonly found on the Air Max 98 silhouette. Flipping these over to the medial side, so on this side we have this large oval piece of suede, and then pressed on top of this we have these coordinates, which when I keyed in on Google Maps, took me straight into the heart of Times Square. On the back heel of the shoe we have the word Air embroidered into the suede, and then we also have this white and black pull tab as well. In terms of laces, so these come with mismatching laces. So on the right foot we have a blue pair, and on the left foot we have a green pair. But in either case, both laces have the word La Mezcla found on the lace tips. If you don't want that mismatching look, they also give you a secondary pair of white laces if you want something a bit more subtle. Holding the laces in place, we have these semi-translucent straps, and then the top 3 eyelets on either side are once again done in that cracked leather. Underneath the laces we have your tongue, so this is a white colored nylon tongue, and on the very top we have this patch of leather with this compass graphic embroidered in. So the inner liner of these Air Max 98s is lined in this white textile, and then as I pull out the insole, here we have this custom earth inspired insole with the Nike Air logo found on the heel. So the upper of these Air Max 98s sit atop this white colored midsole, and then underneath this we have a full length Nike Air sole unit. In this case, the Air unit itself is done in blue, and then as I flip these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Air Max 98 outsole. In this case, the entire outsole is done in this semi-translucent finish, but as usual we have this sort of bubble underneath the heel that's finished off with this green Nike swoosh. So in terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I picked these up in a size 10. To be honest with you guys though, I probably could have done a 10.5 if I wanted to. And really depending on the type of sock that I'm going to be wearing, I honestly could have gone either way. To give you guys a point of reference, so despite being a true size 10, I do wear a size 10.5 in some of my Air Maxes like the Air Max 95 and the Air Max 97. So overall, I'd recommend sticking true to size if you like a snug fit or if you're going to be wearing thinner socks, but if you do want more of a roomy fit or if you're wearing really thick like elite socks for example, then half size up should be okay as well. From a comfort standpoint, so the Air Max 98s I find are more comfortable than the Air Max 97s. I can totally feel that cushioning underneath my feet a lot more, and generally speaking the Air Max 98 feels pretty decent on feet. Last but not least, from a quality standpoint, so these were pretty expensive at $200 US or 260 Canadian. I was kind of expecting a little bit more, And my main beef wasn't with the materials used, it was more so the lack of quality control on the construction of the shoe. So I can totally see the paint strokes on the white part right here, and then there were some paint stains found on the air bubble itself as well. So I would definitely inspect your pair first to pick out the right one before you buy them. So with all that said, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Of all the on-air contest winners, these New York cities weren't at the top of my list, but they also weren't at the bottom. Honestly, they have grown on me quite a bit since I originally saw pictures of them. But with that said, there's something about the design of the shoe, maybe it's the gradient effect with the random blues and greens, but to me I feel like there could have been changes done to make it better executed. Still, it is a pretty dope shoe overall, and by all means, if you guys are feeling this design, don't let me stop you, definitely look to cop them. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Air Max 98s La Mezclas by Gabriel Serrano. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram account at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. Before we end this video, one final shout out goes out to the sponsor of today's video, Reshoevn8r, so be sure to check them out and use my discount code SeanGo upon checkout for 10% off. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.